Alright, so this is the engine again. I just put it back in again today because I forgot to put the dipstick, which is this guy right here. It goes into the engine block, and I'm about to start it up again. I got some fuel. It's got to suck it up before it starts up, so let's see how it goes. I'm gonna first spray some fuel into the carb. So it's starter fluid, and got my little button here, and let's see what happens. It's gotta suck in some fuel. Alright, let's give it some more starter fluid. Alright, let's see what happens. Nothing. Alright, a little bit more. Come on. Ooh, fuel. All right, let's see if it starts up with fuel. It doesn't like it. That looks good.